Welcome back. I'm your host, Techlin, and this is Make Money Online with Techlin. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of online business and technology. For this course tutorial, we'll unravel the mysteries behind cutting-edge AI tech and make it accessible for everyone to exploit commercially. Here we always bring you the latest developments in technology and online business, from mind-blowing innovations to highly converting online business models. We're here to keep you updated as well as help you make money from these tools while still leaving you entertained. Don't miss out on the action. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Together, let's unlock the limitless possibilities that artificial intelligence has to offer. Let's get started. Do you feel like you just woke to a world of AI? Seems like everywhere you turn, someone is suggesting AI tools for help. Don't worry, today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, aka AI. In this video, we'll unravel the ideology of AI, its types, the mysteries behind it, AI applications, tools that are available today, and its potential impact on our lives. Watch to the end so that the next time you are flying and notice the cockpit is empty, you know whether to write a quick will or relax and marvel at the power of AI. Just kidding. So what is this animal called artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is essentially a branch of computer science that involves transposing human intelligence onto machines. In other words, artificial intelligence is the development of machines with inbuilt computer systems, enabling them to perform human-like problem-solving processes through learning and limited reasoning. Now that we know what AI is, obviously not an animal as we thought, let's explore some of the common concepts of AI. The concepts of AI are the pillar systems by which AI becomes a thing. These are crafted processes that enable machines to learn from previous data and make improved, precise, and automated decisions in future operations. Our first AI concept is machine learning. Does this mean enrolling a machine to a school? No, machine learning is the imitation of the human learning process by machines, helping them become more accurate. To achieve this, machines are trained with algorithms and numerous data to give the machine multiple aspects of an object or a situation. Multiple aspects of the same thing give the machine a greater cut of precision and accuracy in the identification, description, and articulation of information. Therefore, machine learning makes a machine or system better with time, meaning that the more data the machine runs, the more accurate it becomes in other future tasks and in decision making. An example is the use of numerous images to train a machine for the identification of real-life objects and animals. For such a machine, the more pictures it runs of a bear, the better it becomes when identifying a bear. The learning process of a machine can be supervised or unsupervised. Supervised machine learning is where the learning process of a machine is guided through data labeling. Hence, the machine's knowledge is limited to the data labels. Unsupervised machine learning, on the other hand, explains machines acquiring knowledge by noting patterns in unlabeled data. The second AI concept is deep learning. This is a division of machine learning that concentrates on the building and use of artificial neural networks. Neural networks are built to mimic human brain functionality. This ability makes deep learning a powerful process, especially when training machines. With deep learning, systems can recognize very complex patterns in data set like audio files and pictures. Just as we touched above in the machine learning concepts, these neural network models also need to be trained. However, the training of neural networks is done through a process called backpropagation. Backpropagation is a mathematical tool based on an algorithm involved in testing errors from the output nodes to the input nodes. It is used to improve the accuracy of a system when predicting in machine learning. Our third AI concept is natural learning processing. In the quest to create human-like machines, innovation has led to the development of a branch of AI that focuses on understanding and processing human language. This branch is called natural language processing, NLP. The branch aims to enable machines to gain a substantial understanding of how humans communicate, including hidden aspects when human beings are communicating, such as emotions. NLP has brought great success in business analytics by processing huge data sizes, data sets from consumer feedback in companies for patterns and deeper understanding. Now that we have a general understanding of what AI is, let's go back in time to explore the fascinating history of artificial intelligence. By understanding the roots of AI, we gain valuable insights into the development and evolution of this groundbreaking field. To start with, we review the Dartmouth Conference. In 1956, a group of influential scientists and researchers organized the Dartmouth Conference. This meeting is considered the birth of AI as a formal discipline. The personalities that attended the conference include John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Alan Newell, and Herbert Simon. The main purpose of the conference was to discuss the possibility of creating machines that possessed intelligence. Therefore, the focus on creating intelligent machines bore the term artificial intelligence. The second step that was pivotal to AI development involved the time between the late 1950s and early 1960s. This period involved the development of the logic theorist, an AI-based program with the ability to prove mathematical theorems, by Herbert Simon and Alan Newell. The two innovators had brought life to the field of AI, judging from the impact of their innovation then. John McCarthy also breathed more life into this field when he introduced a programming language called Lisp. The concept of Lisp later became instrumental in further AI research. The third era of AI development that is worth mentioning happened during the 1960s. During this time, the impact of AI had caught the eyes of governments and private organizations. As a result, the field received substantial funding from a number of government agencies as well as private organizations. At this time, the main focus from innovators was on expert systems. As the name suggests, it involved the building of rule-based systems that cloned human expertise in specific areas, such as the packaging of products in factories. Despite the efforts made, there was a notable dimming light in this field by the 1970s. The reason was, as you have all guessed, the failure of the progress in AI to meet the high expectations that were set earlier. Another great step in the journey of AI development was seen in the 1980s. Further AI research brought about a resurgence, especially with the development of improved expert systems. The expert systems that were created during this period used knowledge engineering to encode human expertise. This development made the systems capable of providing solutions to complex problems. The major landmarks that were brought to life in this era include Mycin, which was an expert system in the field of medicine that could provide medical diagnosis to patients. Dendral was another expert system developed in this time which performed chemical analysis. The fifth marked era of AI development grows from the inspiration of the functioning of the human brain. This inspiration resulted in researchers exploring neural networks and connectionist models. The development of the backpropagation algorithm enabled the training of the neural networks. As a result, the advancement gained attention and contributed to the advancement of AI as a discipline. The flow was later blocked in the 1990s due to a lack of adequate data and computational limitations at the time. This resulted in slowed progress of the neural networks. The sixth era lie between the 2000s and the 2010s. This is the era of machine learning and big data. More specifically, the 2000s marks the iconic innovative era, especially due to the emergence of the concept of machine learning as well as the availability of vast amounts of data, which was a limiting factor before. This development showcases a paradigm shift in the field of AI. During this same period, researchers started developing algorithms that allowed machines to learn from the data they run and make better and more accurate predictions in the future. The famous landmarks during this era are support vector machines, random forests, and deep learning powered by artificial neural networks. Finally, in recent years, AI has made remarkable strides across various domains. These include the modern innovative ability of machines to recognize and interpret visual information. This concept utilized in this system is known as computer vision, which is enabled essentially by convolutional neural networks, CNNs, a branch of deep learning. Another milestone today has been achieved by the concept of natural language processing, NLP. NLP usage includes AI models like GPT-3, which is a transformer-based architecture that has achieved impressive language understanding and generation capabilities. Another modern example falls on deep Q networks, DQN, and AlphaGo algorithms, which showcase superhuman performance in games like Go and chess. Deep Q networks, DQN, and AlphaGo algorithms represent a modern era innovation called reinforcement learning. If you have followed all the way to this point, then you have enjoyed our content, which should prompt you to subscribe in order to receive more content like this as soon as it drops. Also, don't forget to like and share our content to motivate us to continue our production process. Until next time, this is where we part. Goodbye, have a nice time.